The boss all this now. Where is the guy?
I believe this guy. This guy is good.
Exam should have started by now. Is it now he's supposed to be here? I don't like all this.
My guy.
How did they stop now? You just leave person. You don't know say the exam don't start by now.
Oh, no verse. No say I need to do some more revision before I enter home.
Revision be that one. I beg, this exam don't almost start. This thing I carry over course. You know understand? Now my baby this. See my guy for here. Don't sit down near you. You understand? So I beg, make sure say you write this thing. When I 3 years now, we don't take write this course. So you get what?
Bros, I will not talk about say person go follow me sit down.
Calm down now. That will not be issue now. I will do transfer for you after the exam. That will not be.
Baba, you give me money. I no go show them.
No, no worry.
Now you me don't know. Now you alright for.
Okay, give me your account number. Let me do the transfer. I beg.
06
Get time.
90 53. Yeah, now be that.
And maybe this.
Yes.
I don't know the go.
Okay now. See, success. I beg.
Mama, you're rest.
I'm only for you by the car.
No problem. Let's go.
Mama, no shake it now.
Okay.
Come back here. Are you in this class?
Let me see your ID card. Let me see. Come on, sit down. Look at this. Young lady. Are you sure you are here for this exam or for something else?
For the exam, sir.
You are dressed like this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If we search you now, you say they are molesting you. My friend, go and sit down.
Sorry, sir.
Rubbish.
Sir, please borrow me your barrel.
I should borrow you my barrel. Minus 10 mark. Scum, why are you laughing? Well, giving you. Please, all phones should be on silent. I don't want to see you with any examination malpractice material or any textbook. If you are caught, sorry is your name. If I giving you.
What person read different? What they carry come out different? Which can't be this one?
Your time starts now. The exam duration is 1 hour 30 minutes, and number 1 question is compulsory. What did I say?
Compulsory.
Good. And it attracts 40 marks. Answer number 1 question and any other 2. I wish you the best of luck.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
Photo. Funny people. This man.
What is JTech trade? JTech trade are the best when it comes to cryptocurrency trading. They buy Bitcoin, gift card, and all kinds of cryptocurrency. They are 100% fast and reliable. They will credit you instantly. Just trade on their website www.jtechtrade.com.
So, you say www.jtechtrade.com.
Yes.
Do a handicap.
70 years old man.
Young man, stand up. It's like they are disturbing you there. You want to scalp.
Okay.
Stand up. Go to the back.
Oh.
You go back there.
Sir?
I said you should go back and sit down.
I don't die. I don't die for this life. I don't die.
In fact, okay, stand up. Go and sit down there. Oh. Quick, sit down there.
My foot up my up.
All right, get ready to stop. Get
Blood of
ready
Jesus.
to stop. So start rounding up now.
Learn a lesson.
Hello, smile. Machinery when you carry no know anything, they copy from person here since.
70 years old
I
man.
don't carry the person go another place, my brother. I'm just ready. We go rewrite this course next year. Just ready. And I swear, if you no pay me my money, I go break it 2 leg. Hey, Jesus! You go know why they become capon for this school. Me no worry.
Later. Give me that phone.
Oh!
Give me that phone. Give me the booklet. Give it to me. Give me. I think you are getting in this. Oh, yeah, everybody, pens up. Pens up. Everybody stand up. Stand up. Leave your answer booklet.
You don't know why it's going on.
Everywhere you are seated, leave. Stand up, stand up. Oh, yeah, leave the class. You only stand up there. Drop that thing and leave there. Come on, leave there. Leave that place. Quick. Move. Why are you walking around? Young man, what are you still doing there? Will you get out from that place? Come on, get out. I said you should go.
Sir?
Go. Hey! Oh, you want to sleep here? Rubbish.
You still dey follow company for yard. Hey! Rich ones and cup of tea, oh. Funny people.